Hey guys, welcome back to Fantasy Sports Edge. This is Miguel. I just wanted to go over some recaps for yesterday's picks that I have. I'm gonna make this a quick video because I know that I'm uploading this video a little bit late. So I want to make sure you guys have an opportunity to lock in these picks that I'm gonna give you at the end, okay? So just to a quick recap from yesterday, I gave you some picks for all the apps. Here, obviously the Gimme Here Flaherty, he hit, right? So, but I did tell you to pair him up with Zach Wheeler over 17 and a half outs. He did hit that. He went for 6 innings. So that was free money right here, guys. This is for all the new subscribers to Sleeper that use my code FSE. Then down here at BoVada, I gave you 2 picks. I wanted to get to the NFL preseason. I was a little bit doubtful about that just because the NFL preseason could be very unpredictable. But I did give you the Reds and the Brewers going over 8.5 total points, and that hit. They had 11, I believe. For the NFL preseason game, I thought the Steelers would keep it close. They didn't. They lost by, I believe that was like 9 points or something like that. So they needed to score to keep it within this, but they didn't. For the player props I did have for you guys, I had 2 separate ones. Sleeper and Chalkboard, I had this play here, and then for Dabble, I had this play. So the one for Sleeper and Chalkboard did not hit. Robbie Ray did go over 6.5 strikeouts. I believe he ended up with 7. And Colton Cowser, he hit a home run. So that, right off the bat eliminated our play. We had him at 1.5 total bases. You know what? I don't feel too bad about the play. He only had 1 hit, which was that home run. So had it not been for that, I think this play would have actually hit. So it is what it is on that one. For Dabble, I replaced Cowser with Gary Crochet under 6 strikeouts, and that was a hit. So overall we did have a pretty good day yesterday. So here, if you look at the free plays from yesterday, it was that we went 3-2. That's 2.87 units profit. So that's pretty good, right? And here, since I have it open, these are my VIP plays that I had from the last couple of days. Currently 14-6. That's a 70% hit rate, up 6.33 units. So that's pretty good. And this is all baseball. Once the NFL season starts, I'm going to focus probably mostly on football. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay with MLB, maybe a few plays here and there. But if you are interested in the VIP, like I mentioned, we do have, this is winnable here. And I mentioned yesterday that they give you the option to do monthly payments. And right here, for instance, if you do go with a firm, let's say we do the NFL season, 900, right here, 150 every month for 6 months with 0 interest. But if you're like, I don't want to be paying 150 a month, you could do it for 56.15. That's almost a third of that for 18 months. My suggestion, if you do go with this one, as soon as you make those $900, just pay it off, because you're still gonna have the rest of the season to make profit. So don't stay on it. Don't pay the interest. Just pay it off right off the bat. That's my suggestion. If you just don't want no interest and you do want to join, do the 150 every month, 0 interest. 6 months, you'll be done paying for it. Or you could just, again, like I said, you could just pay it off the bat. In a month, you'll be able to pay that, no problem. All right, so back to here. Right, so I just talked about the winnable and fan bases. Again, it's the same thing. Fan bases also offers the same monthly payments flexibility. So if you want to have an app, I would suggest doing fan bases. You'll have an app on your phone that you could just click in and you'll see on my notifications and on my bets that I put in. And winnable, they'll just send you a text, and then you click a link, and then that's how you get to the play. And so the free plays for today, guys, I'm really high on these 2 guys today. So this is pretty much what I have for you. You don't have to put them on all 3 apps, but like I said, if you only have 1 of the 3 or 2 of the 3, just put it on one of them. But like I said, I want to give you the flexibility. So for Dabble, I have them at over 1 hit plus runs plus RBI, and O'Neill Cruz over 1 total base. So I think Arenado and Cruz are both going to have a pretty good day. Dabble did not offer the total base, so that's why I went with this. So I think that's still going to hit. On Chalkboard, Nolan Arenado I have him I have two here because there you're able to choose either 0.5 total basis or 1.5 total basis, and it's for a different payout. This is the safer one, so the times will be a little bit lower. But if I think he's gonna go over 1.5 easy, so you could go with a 1.5. I just wanted to put it in here so you know that there is a choice. So you could choose an alternate line. With O'Neal Cruz, he also does have a choice. But I'm gonna take the 0.5 just to make sure it is a 2-minute. So I want to make sure it hits. On Sleeper does not have a Cruz on the Cruz or Arenado with the alternate line. So, but I do have him with a 1.5 total basis for both. And then again, Sleeper for the new members. If you sign up today, Paul Skeens is 0.5 strikeout. So again, another free pick that they're giving you just for the new members. You got to sign up using code FSE. For Chalkboard, it's code FSEdge. Dabble is code FSEdge as well. So I'll scroll up real quick. Right here. All right. So FSE for Sleeper. Then you have FSEdge for Dabble, FSEdge for Chalkboard. All right. And on BoVada, I got you guys here. Dodgers plus 1.5. I think the Vegas, the bookmakers, they have Paul Skeens kind of dominating this game. I think the Dodgers are actually gonna show up. I think they could have a close game. That's why I'm taking the plus 1.5. They might even steal it, guys. So that's what I have for you. And for BoVada, I forgot to mention, but for BoVada, I'll have the link in the description. You could go ahead and sign up, and you could use code FSEdge on that one as well for 50% matchup. On that one, you do need to deposit $20 as your minimum deposit. On all the other apps, it's only $10. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Hoping for another profitable day. As soon as I upload this video, guys, if you catch it, go ahead and lock it up, man. Don't sleep on it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.